won massively. We see ourselves as serious contenders. However, we are going to approach the game as it is. Just like I said, they have put the first game behind them. Even if we had won, we would have still put it behind us and look forward to playing a very good game tomorrow. And we have also mapped up a ploy as to how to contain the Japanese. We also look at the team that they played against. We also look at our strength, and we think that there is no fears at all. They believe in themselves, and then they are ready to deliver.
Engineer Coach Yusuf Basig Komo dear ahead of Ghana versus Japan. Now we know na Okasa and right now tomorrow, and so game need and 10 p.m. a bear live on FIFA TV on a FIFA or more website na face on YouTube. Obenya na usuweti mi ashebinti we no yaba 4-timer dedi echebiano yedebeka ho and so ediama concerning the Black Princesses yemfrio yemrem into the senior national football team and here the Black Stars of Ghana and the 4 p.m. Wamo air ball the Baba Era Sports Stadium. Na ticket prices no 20, 70, 100 na omogusu omoton or dial star 711 hash na wato tickets nebi na waswa beta blasters nechi emrene swa auto tickets nentem na eboa na etime challenge bia obe encounter enso edie free na face woto nentem no na waye nentem enso aba stadium nentem sene ebe ya enkofa issue bia enso enfam banti red stand here 20 Ghana cedi, green stand here 50 Ghana cedi, yellow stand VIP wings no 70 Ghana cedis na main VIP enso air call for 100 Ghana cedis. Enti o dial star 711 hash and I said www.ghanastadium.com na wetimi enso ato ticket way Ghana versus Angola. Na yefa Angola for them fan chance dia enra. Womo no mudi nkan mu training enso babaya ewia no be 3 p.m. and omudi bibia sheshe so a eno etre ombe pm press conference ase our coach Pedro Goncalves wonu so ebedi nkomo enso edefa game no de kan Pedro Goncalves ekasaye about gamer woni Ghana team no enso eba bebo yentie no.
The last time it was tough, very tough for us because we lost in the last play of the match after set pieces with a lot of lucky for Ghana to finish on goal. But tomorrow is a different story, is a different moment. I think the both national teams are better right now. We grow a lot. By the moment we feel we are confident about not only for the moment but for the future. So for tomorrow for sure will be a very tough matches. But we expect to be here, play good football. I don't know about the pitch. Well, we're gonna have the practice after that press conference. I think not only me, it's a care about the pitch, not only from me, but also for my opponent, Otuado. But well, for sure, the both teams have very good players with a good moment. So I feel will be a good promotion for African football tomorrow.
Entiano Pedro Goncalves on the Angola coach on so Eden and Como and so at was why it is all chim say why crado say obetimi and Swisha Ghana team the pitch in the and yadia behadrin because send a bedi Angola Fonya and a sound so and a bedi Galafonia say pitch in Yanquadia Nemum or can West in say Ghana were good players, Angola were good players, or GD say Gabe no a good promotion of African football now. Or James Ghana team they are very good players are. Nenkomo did the far Ghana players no say esi ekoye.
Black Stars has players from top level in the world. So even all the team. But if we look at the big names being the midfield sector, forward sector. Players like Mohamed Kudus is one of the best ones in the moment for Africa. Partey is a legend. Jordan Ayew, Iñaki Williams. So I say 4 players, but I can say other ones. Even in the defenders, the Salisu, Seydou is a very brave player. Lamptey with a great future, I believe. So it's a very balanced team.
And no a coach in comedy and so the Fagana team no watch him say oh very good players, a balanced team in Tanya and the team no so ever fan for Cranum one of the obesities in the Mrantia no mahe. So met my baby see a kind against Ghana. Now Omonso at your name on the Black Stars. Coach Otuado ebe PMO press conference as here or didn't come out say Angola team netting, but Ghana ever concording I say you bet me young kunim into Otuado on beating Angola.
Always, and I think I said it the last time, I personally think there are no more like cheap games in Africa. All the teams have picked up, and Angola really quite impressive what they did the recent years with the coach Gonzalez. Yes, with this coach, and it's going to be very tough. If you see their last results, also playing against Cameroon, a draw. They lost only by 1 goal to Nigeria, 1 goal to Morocco. Then you can see what quality this team have. Freddie, they have Manuel Benson playing in the championship. They have Nteka playing in Rayo Vallecano in La Liga. They have Clinton Mata in Lyon. Just for you to see what caliber this opponent is. So it won't be easy for us. We have got good players as well, very good players. So I'm convinced that we can beat them, but it won't be easy.
Enti your Tuado come on so shem see bet me Angola for about enye abrewa bayira abrewacho mube den kakra enso e dia magana na no chim say the last time Ghana ne Angola boy na enyo na te bench there, but it took a last minute intervention and sane yetimi a win game no enti o chim say Kumasi fans ne there enya there wo mo edi ono Otuado and teams oda no enya de o medi o mo hwammo enti o gide say ende Ghana force ba be tight team nechi na enkunimdie enso etimi abaye enti Otuado on the fans ewo the Babaya Stadium.
Kumasi fans in my time never let us down. The last game we were 2-1 behind against Central African Republic, and they supported us all the way. So I don't worry. They're always supportive. They help us, and really we will need them tomorrow. They could suggest for me keep it up what they're doing, and it's very helpful. They're like our 12th player, and we love to play in Kumasi.
Enti your Tuado on playing in Kumasi and a fan support. Na question ebe so yebisa ne say na Iñaki Williams no okwa Bilbao no bobo na yehu no okune ho pa otimi bobo ni ye no baga no okune ho ba still yehu say we raga na team na integrate well ama obobo na yehu e club level Otuado ed emunche modi abase player no na ho oden na e was say the way o si body ball no ne teammates on your mobile national team ni sua saa so no so e was so sua teammates on your mobile ball no se ne almost esibo mobile nti saa enti ase ne adwuma ana bebo amanioma enso etimi akonkan Otuado nchiremu on Iñaki Williams ne se ne sietie
together. Surely one of the things is the players playing with him, because he shows what he can in Spain. So we also, it's not only like he has to adapt to, let's say, the other players, but they have to adapt also to him. And we know what his strengths are, to run deep, to threaten the last line.
Enti Otuado chechemu about Iñaki Williams say who be here say abotre process na we no I was on no take the Ghana teammates na say na the teammates no so tina say send you see born a ball into omunya benyanti ase na afi Nyak Williams say yes o tru meka ko left omunim baby on bebo ball na to ebeboa amani ma konkan sanso no all right so the same thing ni na no I understanding and no mo friend telepathy na say unimu teammates ni moves ni ade unim na ho the strength and the weaknesses are on man pass bia say na be ya ne ho enso ebetre na Otuado Tonsa Frere Jonas Ajete say Oma me replace Alexander Jikua Wepra one went me and join the team no na Ajete player by Otuado amane brief as to player nankasa say there Otonsa a reference on Messi Akai.
Had an extremely good season last year, especially the last 6 months at Basel, and also now started very, very well. We have a range about, let's say, 60 players of Ghanaian descent, which we are observing in Europe, and then we have also players in the local leagues where we think they're closer to the national team, and Jonas is one of them. He, like I said, he extremely good in winning duels. He's fast. He has good height. Very, very good one against ones defensively. And he had really, really good games at Basel. And at the end, we decided for him. He's also a project. He's yet young, 20 years old. He has played with the under 20 national team. So for us, we're very delighted to have him here. And I saw him in training and really look good.
Enti Otuado on Jonas Ajete yeba 4-timer. All the loop on the Black Stars preparations towards the game. And the Yeni Angola upon Yadebe Pro Nutri, Yebesanso game namely a detailed preview of our game no and so EBC perspectives on Angola and then also on the senior national football team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Fancy Aba or the Rim and so Ewa Mananena. Salis are joining Sunderland. Was what joining Omodia Samaja Hong Kong. Was the Ayane yes Obiko be quite 2 made mouse. Send a bay also benya quenya also bet me a call. It was a baby a no. Sentinel sounds to Jabi say Eddie can fumo. To us where? To us where some maka. Dimpire say a hunya dear yanka. 20 ya nom sane won tebe otebe krache betebe
se bibia nko kan papa
ka enje kre
shara ma
enje kre na oka dey okay kan na me here ka for one na me e dey times o dey be o dey kan for one me am dey time dey be ma ka
time dey na
time na yo dey
so dey time
time ne odia
what time
ai to us where bibi akoka papa nke
why you cry say in advance
ade
you wash share I say in advance
wa go see apia boy adwuma o
oh yes
go see apia boy adwuma papa
we're winning 5 out of 6 games out of the year 2024
exactly.
And now we call a Sudan we consider just 1 goal in their last 6 matches. I coach Akwesi Apia.
As a team,
one on that top our 2026 World Cup qualifiers group nemo.
Serious.
And one on the side that top our 2025 AFCON qualifiers group nemo. Akwesi Yajuma pen wa cry the boys no fast so we should go video no shadow
obien ho be for pokuware mu a
okay. So you're criminal and I don't pay now. You're the stories, no. Eddie Ama, you're financial and free Africans and Sandra. One more matches about so games out about so you know. You're the air coach James Akwesi Apia and some other shots as where the young Cassidium and Ra. One more shot about Manchester and Germany. One more ain't to me and one came about so Brentena. Your fan say Abo Isa on the just one. I said the only go animal maya. Your fan says Sudan and one came about so no. Mobo aye 51 minutes and a Kobasa Brantena. Your father say Abo Isa, Abo the only goal. And some Arama Sudan team and Castle Room and some our brother Iron can some group in so far. One of managers were Dika and one more match archers and one came our Brangola and some again Abasulino, one some other ball archers and a gamer and some Abasun Terracos Nidia. Many can be and some Adiama Shak memo exceptional. Mamodian Sabami who acquaint them so amateurs or maya. your father says Sudan the only goal and some our summer and what and what Comoros Samino Wamusam and Gambia for about 1-1 affair Yabenya Libya Wamusam and Rwanda so about draw and also 1-1 and Tanzania Maino and some about 0-0 Ethiopia for some Sama Chinamo Mama and a matches out of our Basso and some Africa young continent is the same. And I came to and some Abesiako. Now, much as I was a Barcelona, Yabenya on my IFN said Tunisia, one of Madagascar, Bafe, Yawa Central African Republic, and some Nabalo Soto, Algeria, and Equatorial Guinea, Ababo, and what's Guinea Bissau, and Eswatini, Airport, Yawamaya, Yafan Congo, Omani South Sudan, Malawi, Ababo, Burundi, and Sana Black Stars, and some like them, I guess, Angola, and also some Abaso, our Brennan, Perun, Samin, yet Emma yet for our shows Unra woman nominees about nominees are banning when some time ya can say the decay Yamia Mobaswan so now Jamaican can say Ballon d'Or and some number for say I had 28th October and I just I was night in Airbus I was later Yamia Mano I had 28th October I was some Abasunino I had Theatre du Châtelet and some our Paris and a South Mediano and no so bet me a Basua and the about Sakwatawano and Jem a young player of the year Chasania near Yakana Ayakopa trophy and watch Yashin Aya trophy and some goalkeepers also dear and nominees are Baenra Nababian Common one and Sam. William sir, Wabro Commerce player, your fan say Adamala Lukman Euram, and I had 30 nominees from Mr. Bako, Abajo Ballon to Oba Saravica, Yabenya Saravica for Kokipano, your fan Ron 1 Williams, Arusu Ramo, I just a goalkeeper of the year. What himself can be Arsenal, then some about me, I can't say, one about the first goalkeeper, one of Africa, our Bono Ball, our Africa, one room and some Ballon d'Or, and also I am the kind of goalkeeper of the year nominees. I mean, see Dasabia Nipano and some African or Bonobo, and I said, I was Sinakai, and some our continent, and also Sandipano, and to also a nomination to Enra. I have brought Tamarsa Ron 1 Williams or Sinakai, and some other Melody Sound Downs, or no, and so an nomination. Our Brene, you heard him say, a goalkeeper of the year, no, one of some about me. Now, I tell you, couldn't say. And when minister Baya, you can say me about Kosobachenia, you can say coach of the year, woman for Zabi Alonso, or Red Fancy Carlo Ancelotti, woman some for Spain, Omo Coachina, you fancy Luis de la Fuente, or Red Fancy Jean Piero Gasparini, and some nomination of Faye, woman Pep Guardiola, and or Red Fancy Leonel Scaloni, or also your coach, Adama Argentina national team, and Mubako some Abaje way, about for the first time since 2003. Now, just at the last, I had 20 years in it, and some now I had 21 years in it. I be Alio Messi, any player. Your fans see Ronaldo, Omuram, and some now Ballon d'Or nominees anymore. Number for the first time since 2003. And then there's some Rentenimiano, and some Nabanyamura Arches and Rano, Wamus Ameno Casano, and some update about Ballon d'Or. Mamin Fantuan Enra, what's a club of the year? Nominees I'm for Dortmund and what you when you're Girona more a famous city and it just a Real Madrid and Liverpool Samunano, some clubs and it just a Momaka, some Obama Enra, not Jamaican can say. After sir, I bet to just Enra player, your fan sir Rodrigo and your mama. I'm a just a conference MP Abaye who said name a Munino. I'm on some composti essence and name a Abacasa, so who carry yourself for Nina. Are your players? Emma Kumako 5 woman in Boba. I was Sir Rodrigo Abant yesterday and I'll be out selected a year 30. Rodrigo and your woman, I'm on Jessia. I'm a finishers Abaya, the only player. One of managers of fruit Bronzo. When your nomination, I was a Ballon d'Or and Team Mamma Bronta say Rodri. Now Rodri some Rodri Comono and your Bissana say wo and Juma Deman City boy and what your Cobo Euros on our Jania. You can say player of the tournament. The moment Abaja would be a Tiseno, speaking volume and some Atamo and what you want to buy Wopo and I just also in Spain at GS and the money and then Ufu Sabia. I was saying near my essence Ballon d'Or. Woman on Motage goals and Tais Sebia, Ebiobi, a midfielder, a better Ballon d'Or. Chajabiano, Wufu say, I was saying, Yamasa, and maybe a Ballon d'Or, Ako Amawana, Yintensima Man City, Akotana, your father's a Rodri, and some other man show heart, our bra, on the BBC, and there's an interview.
I would love that the Spanish player win it. I think we deserve all these years because we have the best period in our history and we didn't want it, of course, because we have the two beasts we have with Cristiano and Messi that they kind of sometimes it's difficult to say no, this guy is not the best. They were the best, in my opinion, in his career. And we have lots of great players, and also we've managed the best football sometimes in some periods. So don't having a Ballon d'Or Spanish, we just have one. Maybe you don't know Luis Suarez in the very, very beginning.
Right. Okay.
We just have one. So I think Spain should have a recognition. I'm not saying it's me, but yeah, let's see. It's something that I can.
Yes, now just say I was in Spain. I mean, and yes, I recognition. One cast on from our branding and I my branch here. Your father said Rodri, so any BBC editing come archers and Nipono, Edgem Emma BBC, I just a Johatano, one of some Latin seminar to our brown seminar, yet Emma, yet for an anopay, and some our shown so much as ROP, and some other cosmo, Mamma Fan to them say, Jamaica can say Benfica, one more start this season, Emma must start this, one more side boys, and your Mama Shisha Benfica, and some go come about to just a manager, no one moment to pressure, and some lady are called so nominal can say, or run or call with immediate effect, you know, one more some artist I can say thank you, and Roger Schmidt and your coach, and some I'm a Benfica, one more problem months of boys in the say, and what would you Bruno Laga and about okay, yeah, and maybe your chum now or your coach, I'm a Benfica way, and the second stint, Obenya, with Bobo Cavani, some Benfica, I kind of Bruno Lash, I'm a Chosoro, and I'm no Casano Oba manager, and some I'm a Benfica team, and I'm no Casano, and then I'm signing a contract. One will say a 2-year deal, and a Bruno, and some Yamian Motina, a Friday, and whatever Benfica players are. Woman international break, you know, and some other started training, and some update to Abba Kodana Fansa, Lamin Jamal say. Wabasuano, Emeki Mark, we are singing our football. A Timua say, Leo Messi money at the Ronaldo Munano, woman Abamodiaco, Wabawan nomination, our transfer Virginia, Yakan Sabia Copa Trophy, Lami Yaman say, one of my transfer Betia Meki Mark, else our near, Yakan say, we are say, and some football Marcotano, report to me, second say, Yasim or Safa discomfort, and T. Ebetia Basabia game at Basso, and I Spain, I'll boy at Maya, your fans are Serbia, San Camino, report to me, as of non Sacotano, and some I doubtful, and no some I update to Abba San Semino, yet the Emma, yet for an pay, and some our show so Casemiro. Yes, was our message, Adama Manju, and almost supporters, and some of them are no, and now Tonum are called Taki, Before Kotaki. Now, Jamo can you know some of the no, what almost so tete. Now, Casemiro say. I'm fighting for the position. The position is what I'm saying. Down, no, while you start, our brand new game back up, and queer and I just a mother assassino. I just can you understand? One of them rejected approach to be a baba. I just be a team you have a bar. One of Manchester Croco Korea pa. One of Casemiro, no, and some other rejected Santula. I was at whatever to the name I just know, and some announcement free as well. Now, my brother back and was a Bobakua. Your father said Leicester City, almost a team. I was at Leicester for make an annual sem Yakala or Momo Puno, Wamsi PSR, or from ye. Yes, Man City for the say, Woman did about so much me take a clue, and some other free I Leicester 40 now almost charges and I'm 115 charges. A Kobasa, Yatabo Man City among us, I really get to Man City and Pamuamo, and some other side of Marino, Woman did about I'm a Man City Bobocoro, and some at me to friend Omohua, and no some update to Abba Pliana. Your father said, no, man do okay. Woman Busama do a cassette. difference bang and a dark Pochettino and Enzo Maresca and some anthem and a Madu Kessel Pochettino no almost one and a man in your big boy birthday the confidence and a son your man in animum what did you basa or your winger Nebia would Dabenkum and Ansabia the Fasua Wabapa son and manager Fansa Enzo Maresca Abayatuma what Casa Sasa Jedi Sancho and some other cabinet Madu Kesse what did you basa manager about free roll what BM yet to Bonama Uteki and yet defenders on Massa would damn it Benkum Nifa Srio not just any panel winners in Chancras walk on him 80 player Bia Oya Winka Biano and some other person on a manager now your father and some Maraska and some other Yachuma Archasano and some night update to Abba Honsamano yet the Emma yet for an anopai and some our shores Unimora your father say Yavia Balbua or no Abo Body Biajai now Vinicius asmo kwakran enra me betro muso wo say Spain mainom amanse so muso ban na bia nipa kakra bi eye na wo ya adwen na fan kwesi he ana won sem fatana sane o man dia World Cup 2030 I was say Jane every omon sem no have you balbo say Chesa ono untimi nkasa anasebia bonia minority ayeno untimi nkasa bia majority MSFA Ujvini Ayobia Panasa Pananso, what did you about so Bames, Sound Subai, and Sansa Utu Aya Mamanofono, now to Ebi Okra, and so forth. And to Abra Woka was I, and a Jen Jenfa Cosina Dina Bame, was some Sound Subai, was the Saya, Amsa Sanio Marinano, and some Abajai Amachasano, and so I update about Ronaldo Danfana, your father do a ga. Now Grand Crowd was now Vinicius look at anyone who send Kirby and I'm sending on what to move you must say. We must Spain Abama, member 15, I'm a 40 a year Spain. One image, Omanya because Spain, I know, one more pa. Now on Blemuno, now I'm to the 4. I don't know so one about San for instance, San Kebia, who only probably all 2 years. One Casas on the Sabia Spain in the Pubby, and some Omusubaya. I was some Ballon d'Or, J, and some the free among some Amasanio Manino, and I'm like Kakafina Swaya, and some Nata Abanya, France, Mano, one some double game at your Jomaya, your father say Italy. Now game watch the Abasanum. Jeminian say Mbappe, yes, sir, or starters are game no, and Osman Dembele and Yakotana, your fathers are Bradley Bacola, answer where I trial our PS Nanier, one more for me be a boy and a coach, your fathers Enrique and son Mbappe, and some call I am Madrid, Jamesa can say Akotana fathers Bacola, and some Nabanyabiabo, Metesa Michael Olise, and some Nabanyana start as a boy the form the bra, I could have now a shimmy machine dear, or listen in Papa, Tessa Michael or listen when you know, and some Nabanya chance I start taking Yamaya Tuma, what was some like Gamma Abaso Shak Memora, your father said one Roman require me, Ubanyamamia, recall me, Ayobiamo Bonabaso, now Yasem Oko, I am Mexico, or just in Pio Bonabas on ye, now Bo Pa, your father said Bolia Massimo, and your Mama Babani United, the Mexicano, as sounds through Orawaya, your father said one Roman recall me. Now recall me no more about so mu indacteno. I'm a say international football Hall of Famer. One I'm a Hall of Famer. One more born about so now for Bemesu or born so that is so but tamaza. I was also Radio Hall of Fame. I was say recall me no Bobo. I saw me kind of Messi crowd who's no the Bobo.
Papa players are not more imagine. Come was a great player. The unfortunate thing here, the Amfaman or Bassa, but at Villarreal or establishing or Boca Juniors Villarreal or legend. Bassa na Amfaman, but he's an excellent footballer. Midfielder found the ball too.
We saw Leon or Becacho so rawy.
Omboni Gidigidio. Banu yip man of some fam panye. Oh, Tokrone that panye. Obey me the bar fame.
I did be away and giddy. So, we be a Pamukrano wife for Craig Grona. Entire way and say, oh, yeah, how Tiaco Bonano. Oh, yeah, smooth, a slow down mood. What am I say? Sir, let your mama decline the ash. They be one of me be so. Bamunche.
Beer. fufuri yɛ daw mepacho balance na waka no fama ma wo fufuru no
kwado ye wo fufu tintintimo eye Kennedy fufu machine ani ye de ye adwuma wa
machine pani
ba wo se fufu ne nei wo ba ye anche me de wo ko Kennedy digital satellite e wo wada wo benya de wo de be wo fufu fi wa